Rainfall leaves its mark on parts of Bay County. Some residents experiencing inches and even feet of floodwater at their front door. In Callaway, extensive flooding created traffic hazards and bad situations for many. News 13's Erica Orstad is live on Olaki Street, where flooding was especially prominent in that area. Erica, what can you tell us?
Well, Amy, the floodwater is all gone on Olaki Street hours after this flooding event. But earlier it was up to my knees, and in some parts it could have gone up to my waist. Now, many residents have been affected by this water. We spoke with some of them earlier to find out how.
I'm really upset because I just closed on this house on Wednesday.
Lisa Pratt left for work early Monday morning. She came home to this.
4.5 inches, so quite a bit. And the rain won't stop.
Cars stuck, some residents unable to leave their driveways.
It was like this during the hurricane, which is to be expected. On just a rain event like this shouldn't be happening.
It's very depressing.
The residents say the storm drain located behind the street is to blame.
I've been living here 13 years, never seen them once go into that ditch and clean it out until just the other night.
Callaway City Manager Ed Cook says they do regularly clean out the ditches, but there's some places they just can't reach with the equipment they have.
So many times you'll have a ditch that may run 3 blocks, but there's no access for us to get in to clean these ditches.
He says the city's working out a grant to be able to widen the ditches to prevent flooding like this from happening. But he also said when it comes to rainfall events like this one, their hands are tied.
There's no way the city could have been prepared for this extenuate amounts of rainfall in such a short period.
In Parker, Mayor Rich Musgrave expressing similar sentiments. He says Hurricane Michael ruined the work they had done 3 years ago to clear their storm drains. He also said the lack of trees is contributing heavily to the problem since those trees were able to absorb a lot of that water. Now, here on Olaki, the city of Callaway says the street is their #1 priority when they begin their ditch widening efforts. Live in Callaway, Erica Orstad, News 13, Panhandle Strong.